bit of you, that is, isn't it? But
Very
it's a
nice.
bit big for you. 50 horse.
It is quite big, isn't it? Yeah, hold on a minute. Let me have a... Get on.
Go on, Saunders, look. We have always got to get Saunders on a little tractor. But I say little, this is actually quite a big tractor for Saunders.
Well, 50 horsepower.
Yeah, I know, mate, yeah.
That's quite a sizable tractor.
I know. Now, this, George, this little Boomer 50,
Yeah.
think about it, 50 horse, that's Fordson major territory. That's like a super major or whatever, George.
Yeah, but I've got four-wheel drive.
You got forward and power steering. What you're looking at is the new version of a roadless.
Yeah.
That is.
It is.
That's a new version of a roadless, George, because you've got 50 horse four-wheel drive. That is a bit of you, mate.
Hello folks, so we are at the Does show 2023, and it's actually an anniversary show for Does. They've been going for 125 years. 125 years. So they really pushed the boat out this year, and it's bigger, better, more variety. They've changed things up a bit, and yeah, we'll have a wander around and see what's about. Not many of these in the UK. This is in fact the first brand new grape harvester in the UK.
It's a growing thing, isn't it? Well, literally, I mean, I didn't mean that as a pun, but
No.
grapes and stuff for vineyards, you know, English and
They are-
wine and that.
Yeah.
But when I was in Lincolnshire, there was some slopes where there was a vineyard back in the days of the Romans. When they were here,
Yeah.
they had vineyards.
It's been great here for a long time, but
Yeah.
it's something you don't naturally
Not the UK.
expect with the UK, is
But,
it? Like, you know.
there
but
we go, mate. Look
yeah.
at that.
Something very different, isn't it? Like?
Yeah. So apparently harvests grapes.
Yeah.
Don't know how. Genuinely, I don't know how
No,
it does it, mate. But it'd be
no,
interesting
not
to
a
see one
clue.
of these working.
Yeah. I mean, normally you can look at something and say, oh yeah, that does that,
I
does
just
that,
don't
but
know. Don't
not
know.
a clue what these bar things do in here.
No, but they do
It
harvest
does.
grapes.
Yeah, does the job.
Right.
There he is.
YouTube's very own Dave Redmond.
Turn around.
Isn't this the man who started your videos?
Yeah.
He's the star.
If you ever want to see a brilliant tractor driver, this man here.
Is that sort of like what you would replace that little one of yours with, George, or you would go up a bit more?
Yeah, I think we'd go up. I mean, that's obviously a 110, so it would be like a very nearly a direct
Here's the
replacement.
140, George, which like we had.
This is the one we had, which I think, I mean, you look at them, there's nothing to choose between them, really. Yes, the 140 is a smidgen bigger, but you can do more with it, like, you know.
That's what I'm thinking.
You know,
As I say, for the
but it's not too big.
for the physical size. Would you? Because what is your horsepower of your little?
The 6020 is 100 horsepower.
It's 100 horse.
Yeah.
So naturally, this would be what you'd go up to.
Yeah.
But I suppose, George, it depends though what the increase in price would be.
Well, that is a consideration, obviously, of course, but
I mean, to be fair though, if you're going this 140, you might as well go T6 180. Then you might as well go T7 210. But listen, there's now the 300.
yeah, so it goes straight to the 300.
100 horsepower to 300. No, it is that thing, isn't it? It's,
Yeah.
You still need to do the job you've got on at the moment, which
Yeah.
is the feeder and stuff like that.
Of course, yeah.
But extra horsepower,
Yeah.
always handy.
Always very handy,
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
very handy.
And that was an amazing tractor.
Oh,
With
yeah.
dynamic
It
command.
just blew us away, didn't it? It did blow us away.
Yeah.
got a couple of 1290s here.
Yeah.
Then we've got this old beast, a 990.
Clean, George?
Very clean, mate, isn't it?
Yeah.
You forget how big these things are. It's enormous, isn't it?
Big old lump.
Big old chamber on a lot.
Yeah, it's big.
Big old
very, very
chamber.
clean when well looked after.
Yeah. Yeah, it's tidy, isn't it? Look.
Yeah,
It's
had
tidy.
Had too much through this, George.
It don't look it, to be fair, does it, the condition? You reckon 28, do you?
58.
58?
Oh, it is.
You know, that's some money, isn't it?
That's some money, boy.
That is some money.
Yeah. Nice.
So the working demonstration section this year, being the 125th year those have been going, they've really pushed the boat out. Got all the usual ones, like with this T7 ploughing and that, but got a lot of Does, a lot of old Fordsons, a lot of old Case, really loads of gear. They really have pushed the boat out. Cracking day. This little chap.
Nice, George.
That is nice, isn't it?
Yeah, conventional.
Is it new? Could be a new one, couldn't it? It is a new one.
Yeah. Apparently, if you want to stay fully legal when you're making conventional hay, you've got to need a New Holland bale on behind a David Brown.
To be fully legal.
To be fully legal.
Right.
It's about a legal bale. That's what they always say. Yeah. Have a David Brown on the front and a New Holland bale.
22 grand though.
22 grand.
Is it?
That's less than I thought, actually.
That ain't too bad, is it? Brand new baler.
22.
Yeah.
Fair size pickup on it.
375 per month. I wonder if they'd let you only pay that the months you're using it. Sort of June, July.
You could ask, couldn't
You'd
you?
probably get it for like 700 quid for the 2 months. Then
Yeah.
say, I'll pay you next season.
Yeah,
Again.
yeah. I'm sure they'd do that.
Cash.
Oh, she's a 68.
TX68.
68, but
So this is impressive, all this new stuff. But
yeah. Look at that lot.
Yeah,
But
you can poke it up your arse.
yep,
Look at this.
we want this.
What
This is
the,
where it's at. Our age.
an arse, so
98.
98.
Yeah, yeah. This is where it's at. This
What
is.
a beauty. What a beauty. She's open. Let me have a. She,
Get up
probably, she
there.
might not be, but she might be. John.
Might be. You never know.
She might be. It just says. Does it say keep off? I think it does.
No, I didn't say that.
I didn't. No, but tomorrow.
I ain't got a key on me.
I'll bring a key.
Yeah,
Tomorrow.
yeah, yeah. Fire her up, mate.
Bring a key tomorrow.
Give her a death.
That is nice, though, isn't it? And
She's sold.
she's in.
Sold. Gutted.
Oh,
She's all right, George.
she's in.
Tidy.
She's in fair nick, isn't she?
Yes, it is.
She's been barned, hasn't she? Like?
Yeah. Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah, she's
Very,
clean.
very nice.
Very nice.
Brand. No.
Yeah, no. You can tell we like the classic stuff. You know, like I say, all the new ones. Yeah, very nice. The 990s, 890s, but TX68 is where it's at, isn't it?
Awesome, George.
That is where it's at.
And a nice example. She's had a little bit of love here and there.
Yeah, but
She didn't know.
she's in. You know, she's in fair nick though.
I would have
That
to
would have to be sorted.
sort that straight away.
Yeah.
Put a piece, let a piece in here.
You could tidy all that bit of rough
do,
up.
do all that.
Yeah.
You'll probably find somebody like Manners has got one up his yard.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Metal panel.
Yeah. But on the whole,
Lovely.
what a machine.
Lovely. Fast track, George. Make sure you get the light behind it.
Fast tracks.
You got some
Who
Challenger there,
cares
George.
about fast tracks?
There's a Challenger there, George.
Yeah, challenge, that's alright. 765. Be nice to see one of these on the dyno, I'll tell you that much. Brace of 4220s. There's a couple of 16 plates with 8,000 hours on. Alliance tyres. BKT's on the back.
Feathered air.
Lovely. 55?
55, mate.
9,000 hours?
All the hours.
Yeah, right, eh?
Doesn't have
I see this. What year is she?
15.
I see this at 38.
Yeah. Be a bit more accurate,
I
wouldn't
see
it?
this at 38.
But there's 10 grand there. Shiny,
Oh yeah, you weigh that in.
chrome plated,
Piece of nonce material.
yeah, pretty much, isn't it?
It's a nonce deflector.
Have you recovered from Saturday?
From Saturday, mate.
Yeah, can you remember what happened Saturday?
What happened? You have to remind me, George.
Well, we did a little bit of videoing on Saturday,
Yeah. Oh.
and
Yeah. And if you,
I think I did Sky for life, didn't I?
George, listen. I don't tend to use those modes of transport, and I certainly don't want to see you using that mode of transport. But it was good. It was good.
It was good though.
It was
Wasn't
very, very good.
It
I was
was good.
impressed. I was impressed. So if you stay tuned, you'll see the video in which George says something that none of us want to see again.
No.
Look at this, George.
Oh.
Just look at the size. Would you just look at that? You know, when I see something like this, I just say, well, would you look at that?
Would you look at that?
Look at that, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at that. Would you just look at this?
She's sold, mate. 380.
Sold, George.
Oh, let's have a look.
Let's go up and have a look.
She's a big lump, isn't she?
Yeah.
Big lump. Actually quite easy to clamber up into.
It is impressive, mate.
Oh, nice leather seats, yeah. Yeah, she's
It is impressive.
It is impressive, mate. It is impressive. Long old bonnet. Big old bonnet.
You know, these old leather seats are lovely, though.
Comfy, ain't
Yeah,
they?
very
Airlessly comfy.
Yeah. He's nicked the PlayStation out of it.
Yeah.
Must have two engines, look. Not a Mosquito.
Oh yeah. So you got you know.
Two engines.
Yeah, very
So if you
good.
lose one engine, you just shut it down, windmill the prop,
Yeah.
and just power
Up,
on.
up you go.
Full opposite throttle and rudder on, you see?
Yeah.
That throttle against the edge, put like that.
Yeah,
That's
just use
good,
your
good
independent brakes, didn't you?
That's what you
That's
do.
for like each wheel, isn't it, sort of thing?
That's a very good system, actually, where
Yeah.
you use that setting these. I like that. It's easy to use. Because obviously it's all linked to when you're using this, you see.
Yeah.
You can set your settings on this.
You almost sound like you know what you're on about, but I'm not sure you do.
No, I do.
Do you?
Yeah, so if you want to, where you normally, you want to leave one thing, you basically got a setting there. And then that one you can use one of them you can use independently.
So they're different set engine revs.
Set
right?
engine revs,
So it's
yeah.
like preset 1, preset 2.
Yeah, but you can do that and not interfere with that one.
Yeah.
Or
Very
it
good.
might just be two engines. That
Yeah,
Mosquito.
it could well be, couldn't it? Like,
No.
yeah.
Good though.
Tell you what, I know I'm sat in the passenger seat, but good visibility for me, even with that hunker bonnet in front.
Yeah, it's a big old bonnet.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad, is
Impressive.
it?
Look at that line up of machines
Oh,
out there, George.
God.
This is
Millions
a
of pounds worth of gear,
brilliant
isn't it?
show though, isn't it? For a dealer show.
It is.
Really good show.
Well, it
Always
is.
is, but this is the best one ever.
Yeah, 125th anniversary of Does.
Ernest Does.
And they pushed the boat out. And they really have, haven't they?
Is there a boat here as well?
Yeah.
Excellent.
There's a pond down the bottom there.
Yeah,
and
there's a little boat on it.
Yeah, it's got sort of Ernest Does on it. Like, literally pushed it out.
Pushed it out there, didn't they? No, they have done though. They've done such a great job with this show. I love it. Love it. Yeah.
You like that, didn't
I do like it.
You like that?
Listen, I know, I know we're half and half here.
Yeah.
We are with the blue. But I always do like a layout in a red one. Always like the layout.
Well, we've
we've
talked about it before.
like,
yeah. You like that A-pillar, don't you? Over there.
Yeah, that's good. I do like that.
you
That's
like
a very good idea. But now I do also like having a display here.
Well, yeah.
Because again, it's just that whole look there, look whatever you want, but you know what I mean. That's rather
It's in
than
your
have-
eye line, isn't it?
Look right down there.
Yeah.
It's good though.
No, I agree, mate. I agree.
Nice bit of carpet in there as well.
Yeah.
Nice bit of carpet, nice throttle. Everything just, yeah. I could spend a day in here.
Quite easy.
Sleep.
yeah, you could
have a little-
get quite comfy and have a
little
snooze in here, couldn't you?
Just have a little spiffy kip.
Nice, yeah.
Job's a good one.
Oh, bloody hell, I ain't seen a Wingate for ages. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, the Wingate Dumber light. Yeah.
Nice, isn't it?
Oh, Wingate.
3.5 sheets.
All the fucking money.
I ain't being funny, that's a lot of deliveries in a mixer wagon.
That is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice set of SIP butterflies there. Nice looking set of mowers. Oh, I've only got a merger here. 9 metre merger. A lot of money they are. A lot of money.
Big old thing, George.
Yeah, it is, mate, yeah. 9 metres, isn't it?
Yeah.
Big old lump.
One of them sort of merge things, is it?
Yeah, it does the, well, it's like a centre feed rake, isn't it, look?
Yeah, merge.
That's the, yeah, merge.
Yeah, so you sort of, it takes it all up out of these swaths and puts it all into one and then stands it at the back.
Yeah, whether this one can do it or not, looks like it can. They can put them to one side as well, can't they?
Yeah.
So you can double your row, you can double your...
Your
swath.
9 metre air crop merger.
76.
Box section, George in the middle.
That's huge.
That's a proper bit of engineering.
So
that,
a big
isn't
old
it?
lump, isn't it?
It is, mate. Yeah.
Well, I suppose that's one of the downsides. It looks very heavy, doesn't it? Like compared to a.
But I don't think. No, it's very heavy.
Yeah.
It's very heavy.
It is very heavy.
It's very heavy.
Yeah. Blimey, mate. That's a size
old
of
lump,
machine,
isn't
isn't it?
Oh, Bednar.
Yeah.
You'd want something to pull that, wouldn't you?
Man, just a bit. That is a lump.
You roll them with a quad track. The size of that.
Yeah. What is that? 12 metres?
Yeah.
Got to be 12 metres,
Set
isn't it?
discs
Like?
on there, boy, that.
Yeah.
That'd cut it up, knock it about, and then put it down, look.
Yeah, you'd need a few horses on it, wouldn't you?
Yeah. You would do.
Yeah. Hell of
Yeah.
a machine.
Yeah, I think old TW would struggle. You got duals on it.
I think she'd struggle with it in the air. Well, I don't think there wouldn't be enough oil in it to unfold it, I don't think.